Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar. I am a research scholar from DIPSRU Delhi. And in my research, I am to be working on a COVID-19. And we find all above things that are to be relating to COVID-19 and are affected for a people that are to be affected with symptomatic and asymptomatic conditions. And now have to be in this time I have to be given helpful things that are to be very useful to treat the COVID-19. And everyone, many things are to be available in the market that are to be using for a COVID-19 like mask and different types of medicine for using for a cold, flu and fever and so everything. But no one people is to be knowing that how to unaffected with COVID-19. And you all are to be know that COVID-19 is to be very suspicious cases that person are to be affected with us and different types of peoples that are to be related to aged from 55 to 60 or above. They are dies more, and some patients that are to be in diabetic conditions or a dialysis patients that are to be infected with COVID-19 more and they will die. And now a time in a world lots of people are to be die on this COVID-19. Some countries are to be making different types of vaccines but they are still using, they are not to be successfully in the clinical trial and they are to be like a useless. And now a time different countries are working on a general medications that are to be using for a patient to treatment like general medication you are using azithromycin and paracetamol and different antibiotics. And now ICMR to be approved some medicines like hydroxychloroquine and now at this time remdesivir are using and some plasma therapy. And for a person that are to be asymptomatic conditions they are still using some general medication for a treatment and some healthy foods and a healthy food source. Everything is to be linked with our healthy diet. And on this COVID-19 patients are only have to be instructed with us now are using a kada and different types of vitamin C sources and vitamin B12 sources are to very helpful to treat with COVID-19. And now at the time we have to drink a lots of water because this water has to be making your body diet and to maintain your health. Otherwise you are not using a lot of water in a hot day, you're making a condition of dehydration. And now a time we have all persons are to be knowing ki how to make a healthy, because healthy person have no any types of disease are to be covered. And now at this time we have all persons are to be very restricted to using a mask and to be making a distance to stay safe in your home or outside, because most of the things are to be linked with outside and in your home. And those people are to be going outside for a job or a other work or a research or a doctor that are to be a very needed to making a distance from outside and your home, because COVID-19 is not to be known that who is infected and how has to be infected, because now a time most of the people are to be asymptomatic and these asymptomatic patients have also don't know that they are to be infected with COVID-19. So we have to be taking a healthy food and a healthy diet to be fit and fine, and all working are to be we. So on this COVID-19, different countries are to be using different types of treatment for a recovery for the patient. But in India, still now cases are to be going on your 4 lakh, and we know that we all are guessing. I think most of the people are infected with COVID-19, and now a time we have only instruct we all of us to take a healthy diet and take a healthy drinks that are to be very helpful for all, and take safety, stay at home or outside using mask, and those peoples are to be working in hospitals and going outside for a job, and to be making a distance, because distance are to be very helpful for an affected by COVID-19 patients, because in this time we don't know about that who is corona positive like a COVID-19 positive persons, and who is not to be COVID-19 positive patient, because now a time asymptomatic patients are to be a misleading type of cases that are to be infected with peoples and have no knowledge about this COVID-19 are to be affected with us. So everything is not in your hand, and I think you are safe, and I will pray your God for on the next day is to be a everything is to be doing the exercise and yoga divas, everyone, and tomorrow is to be also a Surya Grahan, that are most of the people are to be knowing about Surya Grahan and what are the effects on the body, and you all are to be needing to pray the God this COVID-19 is to be going with Surya Grahan, and yoga is to be very needed for yours to doing our activity for our body and be healthy and good and safe in your home. Thank you.